What's going on, everybody? I'm Grim Repair. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what is likely going on with a new GFI that you just installed and you notice none of your outlets are working. And before you work on this, you're going to want to shut the power off because I'm going to be doing some testing to show you how it's done. I'm wearing gloves and the power is still on, and I just got to be extra careful. The first thing we're going to do is remove the two screws that hold this cover on, and it's a flathead screwdriver. Then we're going to remove the two screws that hold it onto the outlet box. It's mounted in the wall. So we're going to pop this away from the wall. Where a lot of people go wrong when they replace these, they assume that their new one is built the same way as the old one. And if you read the back, this is the old one. You got load up top here and line down at the bottom. The line is the voltage coming in, and load is going out from this outlet, because this outlet's going to protect the entire kitchen, and it's got other outlets piggybacked off of it. But if you look, load's on the top of this one, line's on the bottom. The new one here, line's on the top and load's on the bottom. So you want to make sure you get those right, because they're not all built the same. Now let's say that you mixed them up real bad and you don't know what's what. Or you just got wires sticking out of the wall. I'll show you how to figure out what's what. All right, so here I just got some wires hanging out, and I know that one's line and one's load, but I don't know which one. So I'm going to show you how to figure that out. To do this, you're going to have the breaker turned on, and you're going to have power at these wires. So we're going to take our voltmeter here, and we're going to go to 200. On mine, it's 200. Some of them will range automatically, but we're going to go to voltage alternating current. We're going to go black and white. We're going to touch the black and white wires. And this one here is giving me voltage. So I know that this is the line voltage coming in. I'm going to test these other ones just to show you. I got them on there, and I got nothing, because voltage has to run through this GFI in order to go to the other outlets. I can go like this, and it's only going to give me 90 volts here, because that means one of these is not line voltage. And do the same over here, and I'm getting a very, very low voltage. So once you get it on a black and a white one, and it's giving you around 120 volts, then you know that's the line side. So we're just going to go ahead and button this back up, and everything should be working fine. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. High five, you did it.